going, boss? Hey folks, Kurt Asplin here at the 49er Rally in beautiful Mariposa, California. Right now what we're going to do is the installation of the Moto Pockets side case. It's a very cool pouch that mounts onto the top of your side case like this Touratech Zega case right here. Here's how we do it. We take the alcohol prep pad that comes with it and we wipe down any grease that might be on the top of the case. Very clean, we're ready to go. Take the 3M Velcro adhesive pad and center it in the case. Use your credit card or room key and apply the Velcro. Once it's on, insert it into the center of the case, and you now are ready to go. Load it up, hit the trail. Have a great day.